Right now I'm reviewing the plaid Bucilla Oh Holy Night kit. 84959 is the number. Hope you can see that. There we go. Well, so far not too bad. This is what I've cut out so far. What I'm finding though is the white. You can hardly even see that pattern right there. And then here his face. It's got all these ink spots on it. This yellow is pretty thick. So it was really hard to get it off of these pieces. So let's see. Let me find a piece. Like, I don't know if you can see that. I can see it. It drives me nuts. You see on the bottom? The bottom? That black spot, I can't get that off because it's so embedded. The red is pretty light as well, but not too bad. The yellow is pretty dense. And the green is not too bad either. A lot of cutting, a lot of shaping. So far that's how far I got.